Hello and welcome to the vlog. This is my buddy Patel. For those of who don't know who he is, he's in cocktail. He's 6 years old and very sweet and cunning in nature. He always loves to sit in my shoulders no matter what I do and where I go. In this video, I have tried to cover all about cocktails. If you are willing to buy one or already have, this video is just the right one for you. Before getting yourself a bird, ensure that you have at least 1 hour to spend with them. Because these birds need a lot of time to share their love and affection with you. Most of the bird owners buy a bird and keep it in the cage and never take it out. But birds are really just like other animals. Just like dogs and cats, they just love spending time with you. If you do not trim your bird's feathers, make sure that the fan is off every time you take your bird out. Because with these birds, disaster can happen at any time. I personally recommend to trim the feathers at the beginning stage and gradually teach it to free fly. Free flying is nothing but allowing the bird to fly freely and return back to you. When it comes to the food, I prefer giving a mixed variety of food, such as sunflower seeds, millets, fresh vegetables, fruits, cucumber, and leafy vegetables. Also, make sure that you provide clean drinking water for them every day. Keep in mind that when you are buying a bird, you are entering into a long-term relationship. Especially in the case of cocktails, they live up to 15 years. Buying a bird also comes with lots of things to take care, such as cleaning. These birds are small animals and they poop every 15 minutes, and that's a lot every day. At the beginning, when I bought him, he used to poop in my shoulders, but after a lot of training, when he wants to poop, he goes to the cage. I try my best to clean the cage as and when possible, at least twice a week. They shed off dust particles from their feathers, and that might be a bit harmful for us humans if we breathe into it. But this is not much of a problem since we make them bath every week. Yes, we do have to make them bath every week. I'll be uploading a separate video on bathing shortly. Apart from this, training a cocktail is very much important since they are protective in nature and do not allow other human beings to touch them or pet them as at the beginning. But gradually, as a process of training, they would become capable to trust human beings. This area of it is set as a playground apart from the cage. I believe that exposing him out of the cage and letting him to play with toys and other stuffs makes him calmer and active. Another factor that you must remember is that they whistle, they make noise, and they are very loud. Now this might become a problem if you are living in an apartment. There are many tricks that you could teach your bird, such as whistling and playing dead and enjoy with your bird. In this video, Patel is not replying back to my whistle since he is new to the camera and excited about it. In this video, I have tried my level best to cover all about Patel and a brief view about what owning a cocktail is like. Hope this video was helpful and see you in another video. Until then, bye bye from Ahmed and my buddy Patel.